Hello everyone, welcome to the Linux Int YouTube channel. In today's video, we are gonna talk about Python Pandas. These are our today's points of discussion. So first of all, we will see what is Python Pandas library, what are the key features of Pandas, installation guide on Linux. Then we will have couple of examples to getting started with the Pandas library. So what is Python Pandas? According to the Pandas homepage, Pandas is an open source BSD licensed Python library. It provides high performance, easy to use data structures and data analysis tools for the Python programming language. It is very popular in data science community. So the point is, what is data science? Data sciences is the study of data that uses scientific methods, processes and algorithms to extract knowledge and insights from many structural and unstructured data to get answers on questions related to data. It is used in many fields like academia and commercial domains including finance, economics, statistics and analytics. These are the key features of Pandas library, so let's discuss it one by one. It is very fast and efficient way to manage and explore data. It does that by providing us with series and data frames which help us not only to represent data efficiently but also manipulate it in various ways. This feature of Pandas is exactly what makes it such an attractive library for data sciences. The second is alignment and indexing of data. Labeling and organization of data is very important. Pandas library organize and label the data perfectly by intelligent methods of alignment and indexing. So the third point is reading data from common data formats like CSV and SQL. It is very easy to extract data from CSV files and SQL using the Python Pandas library. Let's discuss the Python support, which is the point number 4. Python has become one of the most powerful programming languages for data analysis. Python allows to access other libraries like NumPy and Matplotlib. So by using Python Pandas library, we can work with NumPy and Matplotlib library. Pandas have an inbuilt ability to help you plot your data and see the various kinds of graphs formed. This feature makes the data analysis more easier. And similarly, we can delete and insert columns in the data structure by using the Pandas library. Now let's proceed to the installation procedure, that how we can install Pandas library on Linux. This is my Linux Mint system and we can install the Python Pandas library by using Python pip. So run the following command to install it. Pip install pandas and hit enter. So the Pandas library is already installed on my system, and if you are installing it for the first time, so it will take a couple of minutes. We can also use conda to install this package with the following command. Conda install pandas. The installation is done and we have seen both methods, that how to install Pandas by using pip and conda distribution. Now let's move to the next point of discussion, that is getting started with examples. Reading a CSV file is easy with Pandas. For demonstration, we have constructed a small CSV file with following contents. We have student names, roll number, age, department and semester. Save this file in the same directory as of the Python script. The Python IDLE editor is opened here. And now we will see that how we can extract data from the CSV file using Python Pandas library. So import Pandas library here. Import Pandas as PD. Students is equal to pd.read underscore CSV. And here you have to mention the name of the CSV file. In my case, the name is students.csv file. So I'm going to write it here, students.csv. Now write here students.head. The read underscore CSV function reads the contents from the CSV file. The head function in Pandas can be used to show a sample of data present in the data frame. Data frame is an n-dimensional data structure which can be used to hold and analyze the data. You can see here that it has printed the contents of the CSV file here. And we have the following columns: name, roll number, age, department and semester, and in the respective rows we have the data of the students. We can also see that how many rows and columns does the current data have. So for this purpose, write here students.shape. The shape function counts the columns and the rows in the data. So hit enter. It has printed 5, 5. It means that we have 5 rows and 5 columns in our data. It is possible to get just column in a list with Pandas, and this can be done with the help of indexing. So let's have a look at indexing to print the student's name only. So write here student's name, which is equal to students name. Here we have to write the name of the column, and if we want to extract the roll number, so we have to write here roll number. Hit enter. Students underscore names. Excuse me for this, write here students underscore name. So this time it has printed the student's name only. And similarly, if we want to print the semester of every student, so we have to write here students underscore semester, which is equal to students. Now write here the name of the column, that is semester, and semester. And this time it has printed the semester column. But this data doesn't look like a list, and if we need to represent this data into the list, then we have to explicitly call a function to convert this object into a list. So for this purpose, write here, and now it has printed the student semester in the form of list. So that's how we can use Pandas library to extract data from the CSV file and present it into the different ways. That's it from today's video. I hope you found this video useful to learn about Python Pandas library. So keep following us on Linux Int YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe it for more useful videos. Thank you.